Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Skyfire EA, an expert advisor available for MT4 on the MQL5 Marketplace. Right away on the product page, we can see that this EA is priced at 399 US dollars with rental options available at 30 US dollars for 1 month and 199 US dollars for 1 year. The developer is MD Masum Bila. The current version is 2.15 and the product includes 5 activations. Looking through the marketplace description, the developer explains that Skyfire EA was originally created in 2019 and has received multiple updates since then. According to the information provided, the system focuses specifically on gold, which is XAUUSD, and the GBPUSD currency pair. Now, as I continue through the page, even though there isn't much information available, the core concept behind the EA is described as being based on a historical observation involving these two markets. The developer states that after fast directional movements, these instruments have historically shown a tendency to return after the initial move. Based on that observation, the EA incorporates both scalping and day trading elements in an attempt to capture opportunities that arise during these market conditions. One thing I always like to do during a marketplace walkthrough is focus on exactly what the developer is claiming and avoid adding assumptions. All right, so in this case, the description specifically references XAUUSD and GBPUSD as the intended instruments and highlights the combination of scalping and day trading techniques. Beyond that, the detailed internal logic isn't disclosed on the marketplace page, so we are working with the information that is explicitly provided. As we look at the product details, the marketplace listing is fairly concise. We have confirmation that the EA is designed for MT4. We know the supported instruments mentioned by the developer, and we can see the available purchase and the rental options, right? So the update history also suggests that the product has been maintained over time since the original release. Let's just move over to the backtesting section and let's take a look at the historical testing results. We don't have any, strategy tester reports presented here, as an image. So we'll just go straight to our MT4 platform and let's see how the Skyfire EA performed on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame. All right, we are using the every tick modeling and we are testing over the past 3 months from 21st March to 21st June 2026. All right, so now the initial deposit is $10,000 and I can see that the total net profit is $312,834,574.5. We can see that the maximal drawdown here is just 1.74%, which is pretty impressive, but the relative drawdown is 20.44%. all right, and the largest profit was $136,980. The largest loss was $966,972. The average profit was $8,401.99. Average loss $6,943.3. This tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is not all that bad, but it's not all that good either. Well, it might be okay for some people that are not so, after 1:2 minimum risk to reward ratio, right? But let's go turn on the visuals so that we can also see this EA in action. So, as I review the backtest reports and the chart history, it is important to evaluate the performance in the context of the strategy description provided by the developer. Since the EA is designed around reactions following strong directional price movements, the historical trade activity should be viewed alongside those market conditions during the testing period. Looking through the historical chart activity, we can analyze how the EA behaved during periods of movement and subsequent retracements without making assumptions about the exact entry or exit calculations. The developer's description suggests that the system attempts to capitalize on situations where price returns after an initial move, but the detailed execution rules are not publicly disclosed. Now, when reviewing any backtest, I always recommend extending the testing period whenever possible. Longer term historical analysis can provide a broader perspective on how an EA performs across different market environments, volatility levels, and trading conditions. As for the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that backtest results should always be treated as historical analysis rather than an indication of future outcomes. Actual results can vary significantly depending on the risk settings, the lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices. From a strategy perspective, the historical chart activity can be reviewed alongside the developer's explanation of targeting opportunities after rapid directional moves. However, because the marketplace information does not provide a complete breakdown of the internal trading logic, it is important to avoid drawing conclusions beyond what is directly observable from the results and charts being reviewed. Overall, the Skyfire EA presents itself as a specialized MT4 trading system focused on XAUUSD and GBPUSD, combining scalping and day trading concepts around specific market behaviors identified by the developer. As always, before considering any live deployment, I will strongly recommend running your own testing, validating the results on a demo account, and performing additional optimization based on your own trading objectives and risk tolerance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.